So obviously we're dealing with a brand new burner system. It's a 31-inch burner. It's 150,000 BTUs. It's brand new. You've filled it with lava rock. You've enjoyed it for a season, and we're in next spring. And it's a really good idea to pull all that lava rock out of there, throw it in a bucket, get it nice and washed out really good, let it dry in the sunlight. You're also just going to want to make sure you take a brush, maybe clean these holes off the burner real quick. There's a couple drain holes that are in the sides of this to allow water to drain out of the burner. Make sure those are cleaned out really good. A nail is something to just poke a hole in there. But clean all this out, because the debris from dust and tree leaves and so forth will create a mulch in here and really make this thing dirty, which will then start to clog up the burner and not have it work well for you, as well as it can clog up your pilot head assembly in this working area right here. So it's a really good idea seasonally to clean this up. Also a really good idea is different brands of spider repellent can be poured or sprayed around this mesh assembly here, either in the brand new installation side of it when you first put it in, or every couple of months, depending on where you live and how spiders are prevalent in your area. But putting a spider repellent around here will make a big difference for you. And then lastly, when it comes to the fire pits, it's not going to void a warranty if you don't cover it, but it's a really good idea. Buy a nice heavy stainless steel cover that's available for these, or buy a nice patio furniture cover that straps around your fire pit. A lot of the patio furniture manufacturers will sell a nice heavy vinyl cover that has a drawstring with a locking cinch on it. You can use those for these wonderful square and linear fire pits that are available.